Hacking Vegas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get diamond status with the Caesars Entertainment program through status matching with Wyndham. And this gets you over $2,000 in value. You can get 4 nights for free at the Atlantis Bahamas, 2 nights at the Caesars Blue Water Dubai, and hotel discounts, no resort fees, free parking, valet service. You skip all the lines, and you get a $100 dining credit at any of the Caesars Entertainment restaurants and buffets. So the key thing here is having status. If you're new to all this, it can be pretty intimidating, but once you get into the whole travel hacking and rewards programs, it gets really easy to keep status up by just status matching between programs. With Wyndham and Caesars, they have a partnership where you can status match between the programs, and you can infinitely keep the status if they don't change any of the terms. Wyndham Diamond status expires at the end of December. Caesars Diamond status expires at the end of January. What does that mean? Once you have diamond status from matching between both the programs, your diamond status with Wyndham will expire at the end of December. But in January, you'll still have diamond status with Caesars. You can go to the website and match your Caesar status to Wyndham. This gets you diamond status perpetually between programs if you always just keep matching between the two. You can get 4 free nights at the Atlantis Bahamas. Nights can range to a couple $100s per night. That can get you over $1,200 in value depending on when you're booking. It also gets you 2 free nights at the Caesars Blue Water Dubai. Hotels in Dubai can be very expensive, especially at resorts. Just having the Caesars Diamond status gets you 2 free nights. Personally, I probably won't use this unless I happen to be traveling through the area. Otherwise, it can be very expensive to get yourself to these destinations unless your whole vacation plan is just to do this. Who is eligible for this program? Everybody. Anyone 21 or over, just because it's a whole casino gambling program, can be eligible to status match to Caesars Diamond status. My favorite benefit of all is the $100 dining credit, which you can use at any of the buffets or restaurants that are a part of the Caesars Entertainment program. My favorite part of this benefit is the line pass. The line for the Bacchanal buffet is insanely long. You have diamond status, you skip that line, you still have to wait in the diamond line, which is still is the shortest line among all the other lines where you have to wait. The only line you don't have to wait in is in the 7 stars line, which is the ultra premium level of the Caesars Rewards program. To get that, you can't really hack it, you just have to be a high stakes gambler. It's really easy to get Wyndham Diamond status if you're not into the whole travel hacking and getting a bunch of points and you don't really travel that much. You probably have no status. That's okay. There's 3 credit cards that will give you instant status, which is enough to get Wyndham Diamond. There's a lot of programs that would match. There's Best Western, Choice Privileges, Hilton, Hyatt, Intercontinental Hotel Group, Marriott, and Radisson. Omni Select Plus is another option, but that's a pretty niche chain. If you want to do the whole credit card route, there's 3 credit cards you could get this with. You can get the American Express Hilton Surpass card. That one I recommend the most, so that's my number 1 recommendation. The American Express Hilton Aspire card, which has a $450 annual fee. It's a really high stakes card. You got to know how to use it and have travel plans if you do plan on getting that one. Not something I recommend for everybody. You can get the Chase IHG credit card, which is not too bad. They give you a free hotel stay every year, which is really $79 because of the annual fee, but you can use it at any of the Intercontinental Hotel. And lastly, the Radisson Rewards Premier Visa. This one probably has the lowest annual fee of around $69, but not something I recommend because the Radissons really aren't that nice. It's not something I absolutely recommend. I do have this card, but if you're going to get one credit card, I highly recommend the American Express Surpass card. For $95, that's the annual fee, you can get a whole lot of value from it. It gives you Hilton Gold status, which gets you free breakfast at any Hilton you stay at. After 2,000 in spend, you get 125,000 Hilton points. If you really maximize the value on these points, you can get a lot out of them. Hilton has a rewards program where if you book with points, your 5th night is free, and hotels can be as low as 5,000 per night. And if you get just nuts, you just get really crazy, you can get 32 nights at the Hilton Garden Inn in Bali for the points you get from this credit card, which is about $50 to $60 per night, which is over $2,000 in value from the Hilton card. And that's another $2,000 in value from the Caesars Diamond status. Additionally, you get 10 Priority Pass visits per year, which is pretty awesome. Priority Pass is lounge access at airports. And the great thing about having hotel status is you get upgrades. You can also leverage it to get status through status matching with other programs. I guess you could say the deal is a slam dunk. And that's it for this travel hack. I hope you learned something. I hope you like this. Subscribe, share, plan a big family trip to Vegas. Make sure everyone gets diamond status, even your kids if possible. I don't know if you can sneak that through, but if you can, good for you. Everyone gets a $100 dining credit, no resort fees, discounted hotel stays, and everyone gets to use that premium line. So I'm Dan at ProBlogger, and until next time, have fun.